Hello and welcome to today's morning market report brought to you by CommunityFT. So before we get into today's report, guys, as usual, please take note of our risk warning. Trading the financial markets using leveraged products is inherently risky, so please be aware of those risks at all times and make sure you do mitigate against those risks. Okay, guys, so moving along, today, guys, could be a massive day for the global stock markets. Obviously, we've got the FOMC with their I guess confirmation of whether the interest rates are going to increase or not. So we could be in for some potential volatility later on this evening. Now, just for your awareness, really, the markets generally don't understand what the Fed will do next. There's inherent risks involved in any decisions that they make. So it's just about balancing up and weighing up what the Fed are going to do. Now, we all know that they want to see improvements in the labour market and they want to see improvements in inflation. Now, although the labour market has improved somewhat, certainly regarding the inflation, there's still some concerns and improvements regarding inflation in the US. So these are all the difficulties that the Fed have to sort of contemplate, I guess. So let me just show you really quickly, if we just scroll down. So as you can see, it's 7 p.m. GMT, where the FOMC will release the economic projections, and FOMC and the statement. So look, that's just a quick look at Forex Factory. And let me show you a few of the graphs, if that's okay. So interestingly enough, I brought this Dow chart up first, and it's just so that you can see that yesterday we actually saw a break of this, which could probably indicate that the market don't particularly think that the Fed will actually look to increase their interest rates. However, this is obviously pre-announcement, so there's obviously inherent risks trading at this particular point before the announcements later on today. But as you can see, the others, the S&P 500 has hit that top red level, so we could get a push higher. And all of the others are sort of in this period of kind of consolidation, perhaps waiting and see what the Fed will actually do next. So if I just take you back to the presentation again, guys, in addition, we've had an announcement from the S&B really regarding the value of the Swiss. So the S&B's Jordan actually believes that the Swiss is somewhat overvalued, and the S&B have basically indicated that they will continue to intervene in the markets as and when is necessary. So let us just apply this to a few Swiss pairs. So we can see that since their announcement to remove the peg back in January, we can quite clearly see that we've kind of broken a couple of highs now. So there could be additional value to the upside regarding the Euro Swiss. But as we can see with the dollar Swiss, especially if some additional strength continues into the dollar, there's an expectation for that to push higher as well. And we can see that previously the pound Swiss has got back to kind of original kind of levels. So we could see the Swiss weaken a little bit further in support of the S&B and their approach to the markets currently. So if I just take you back, guys, that's a little review that's potentially in the pipeline for the day. So listen, thanks very much for joining us again as usual. So from everyone here at CommunityFT, many thanks and bye for now.